Hey, what's up, students? I'm Professor Joey Greco, and today I'm going to help you with your casual speech pronunciation in English. Let's go. So, as you know, English speakers don't always speak English like how we learn in our grammar books. Our pronunciation is different, our vocabulary is different, and that makes it really difficult to understand when we're speaking English on the streets. So let's take a look at some of the words that we change from formal grammar English to casual informal English. Probably. A native speaker of English is going to change this word to probably. For example, I'll probably be there around 5. I'll probably be there around 5. Going gets a little shorter. We drop the letter G and we say goin'. I'm going to LA this weekend. I'm going to LA this weekend. Number 3, I don't know. This phrase changes to I don't know. What are you doing later? I don't know. And finally, until. Until changes to till. For example, I'm working till 6 tonight. I'm working till 6 tonight. Can you guys think of any more examples of this casual speech? Thank you guys so much for watching this short video on casual speech pronunciation in English. If you like this video or you learned something, share it with a friend.